check out this smoky design created on Canva that you could use on social media, your logo, whatever you want to use it for. This is a beautiful idea that I thought I'd share. Let's jump in on Canva and do this. Start by opening a blank canvas and then search for smoke on your elements. Click on graphics and go scroll down to find the smoke that you would like to use. I found this nice smoke that I want to use, and add it to your canvas, and then change the background to make it dark and black so that we have a nice look and feel of what we're doing. Then we're going to go back to our element and search for a bride silhouette like this one. The cool thing about this one is you could edit the image to make the colors your own customized colors. I'm going to flip it, and we're going to then customize the colors and change it and make it the nice blue. We'll see later on, maybe I might change it to white. So I'm going to pick a color and change the bride to blue, and her hairpin I'm going to change that to white. The picture's veil came with a gray, so I'm going to change the veil and make that black because we don't need that. We're going to create a smoky veil ourselves. Next, we're going to adjust the smoke behind the bride. We're going to make the veil of the bride become the smoke. So we're going to send her back, and then we're going to start adjusting the smoke and creating a nice illusion that the smoke is her veil that we are creating for her. Now we're going to modify our bride, and we're going to make this nice and bright and beautiful. By duplicating the smoke and minimizing it and covering it up, it gives that beautiful, nice effect we're looking for. We're going to group the bride and the smokes. We're going to align it to our canvas like that, and we're going to add text. I'm going to press T for text, and we're going to look for a nice text that we're going to use for our design. Use a bold one, and then go to your effects and create a hollow and make the color blue. Let's do a little bit of a fix by changing the bride. Let's make her white so that she pops. So I'm going to ungroup the design, and I'm going to select the bride, and I'm going to change the color and make it white. Make her white, and the bow on her hair, I'm going to make that a blue color. Like that, she pops. It's gorgeous. I love it. I think that's smoking. So next we're gonna go to our smoke, and now we're gonna look for videos, and we're gonna make it come alive and be awesome. So you're gonna click on videos, and you're gonna scroll down and find a nice smoky video like this one, and add it to your design to have it animated like that. That just looks absolutely stunning. We can send it to back. Like that. Let's take off the background on the video, and then let's have a look at our design and see how it looks like. absolutely stunning. Once you're done, you can download it as a video depending where you would like to use this kind of a design. I thought it was a fun way to be creative. Let me know in the comments below if it has sparked some creativity in your mind and in your space. And if you enjoy these kinds of tutorials, please subscribe, please press the like button. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.